Fresh clashes erupted between Azerbaijani and Armenian troops on Wednesday, the Armenian Defense Ministry said, a day after scores were killed in the deadliest fighting between the neighbors since 2020. At least 49 Armenian and 50 Azeri military were killed, each side has said, blaming the other for the renewed fighting, which prompted an appeal for calm from Russian President Vladimir Putin. Azerbaijan used artillery, mortar and small arms in its attack on Wednesday morning, the Armenian Defense Ministry said in a statement. The situation on the Armenian-Azerbaijani border remained tense, it added, restating Armenia's position that Azerbaijan launched aggression on its sovereign territory. Foreign media outlet could not immediately reach Azerbaijan officials to seek response.